How you doing, folks? Jeff here. This is a continuation of what I showed yesterday. You can see here where we're at. Everything must be aligned for a sell. Everything must be aligned for a buy. The moment it turns amber, we remove the sell. So that was 37% in 1 hour and 6 minutes. Now we're going to do, this is bar replay. Yes, hindsight, I understand, but we're doing the bar replay. We're trusting our system we've built. So for this to be a buy, this all must be green. That's green, but that's not green. And so there's no trade. Drag this along a little bit so you can see this zoom thing in the way. This is the NASDAQ, ladies and gentlemen. For it to be a sell, this must be grey. That's coming up to grey. We're now hitting grey. So what we now need to do is a break of structure. And we need for it to, so we've got to break below this green here. This green thing here. So that's saying sell, that's saying sell, red saying sell. I get my short ready now. And it also draws this ahead of time. So every candle is 5 seconds. So you've got probably 20 seconds just to do something like this. Find the high where it's just there. If you're happy with that, and set it at 1.5% just for your head. But if it stays in the trade, you just stay in the trade. But the moment it goes amber, you exit that trade. We're in the trade. Instant profits, instant karma, boom, shagala, 5-second time frame. Thank you very much. This is the Inner Circle 30-minute trader AI auto trading system, one of them anyway. How was that, Chris?
Fantastic.
No mess tins. Oh, sorry. I'll stop that there. So if you wanted to get your 1.5%, exit the trade. If you stayed in the trade, the first one, amber, was there. So you exit on the next one. Do you see that there?
Yeah, it's hard to see the amber, but
do you see the red or the yellow?
I see the red. Yeah. Oh, it's yellow, isn't it?
Yeah, it's not amber. Yeah, you know me, colours not as good as you, Chris. These things, but that's it there. So let's carry on. So we just carry on. So another winning trade. This is bar replay. I understand. I'm just showing you what we've been building slowly behind the scenes. So for it to be green, they must all be green. I'm going to have to change. I might change this to grey also. I don't know, because I'm trying to get them all the same colour. I'm trying to get away from that red, you know.
Yeah. Mm.
So this is green. That's coming up to green. It's not that there is almost. It's right there. We go. It's there now. It's green. I want it to stop, but it's doing a bar replay. So we have to just trust the system. Whether it's a win or a loss, I have to trust the system. It was green for a minute. Let me just check. Was there a break of structure? Just trying to be completely transparent. Right, we've got this here. Ideally, we really need for... Yeah. Not sure, actually. Ideally, we want something with this line. So we've got one here, but there was no line. See, there's a line there?
Yes.
There's no. Ideally, we're looking for a little bit of a line. So just carry on. Okay, so it looks like it's going for a sell. That's saying sell. This one candle may be a sell. Looks like it's a sell. That's broken that line. Do you see that there?
Yes.
So you probably would have got in at the start of that. Does that candle broke it for a sell? You would have entered Give us a minute. Short. Your event entered there. Stop loss would go above this high here. And we'll ideally look for 1.5%, but I'm just going to leave it at 2 because it's there. And we stay in the trade until it goes this yellowy color. It's actually a bit orangey. It's not proper red. You might want to wait, but let's carry on anyway.
That's red now.
So when one yellow candle, or I called it there, so we exit the trade. So we're trying to build this into the system with one candle exit. So it'll be 0.5. Remember there.
Yeah.
So getting it right at the very bottom. Boom. So it might be there, or actually, the truth, it might actually be there. I'm going to be honest with you, be there. So let's carry on. This is green, this is not green. This system will take a few losses, Chris. Stop. Green, green, green. We're looking for a break of structure. Sorry, there's a break of structure there. I never saw. It's that obvious. You see that?
Yes. Yes.
Go long. Didn't pass to there, so you just say we enter in there, for example. This would go there. The other thing we could use, we're talking about using ATR bands for it. So let's just carry on. Yeah, it's lagging a little bit. Oh, one amber, exit the trade. That was it.
Yeah,
Exit trade.
that seems pretty easy.
So when I come down, we wait for everything to be, that's great. Oh, I missed that. It's going too fast. We would have got that as well because it's like, but you would have got that huge, you would have got that huge trade, Chris. So let's just, yeah. And where's a breaker? Do you see a breaker? Was there a breaker structure before then? So we've got this here. So let me just drag that along there. And then what I'm going to do is do this. So it's ready for a sell there, right there. Boom. Not before. It's got to break that, then this all must be aligned.
Yep.
First of all, we've got to go above the high, unfortunately, with this one. So it looks great, but it's not that great because, oh my God, look at the power of this.
Wow.
That's a big stop loss as well. And we'll wait for one amber candle or yellow. Looks like it's flattening out. Well, what time is it? The time according to this that's 1 hour, 1.5 hours so far, and we're up about 35%. And it's still stop, amber candle. Right there.
Fantastic.
So, ladies and gentlemen, if you like what you see,
yeah,
speak to Chris, speak to me, speak to anyone else who shares this with you.
Yeah,
See
I'd like
you
to have a go
at the top.
Mm.
Stay where you are.